Hi guys, today I'll be explaining Newton's three laws of motion. Newton's first law of motion, also known as the law of inertia, states that if an object is in motion, it will stay in motion unless disturbed by external force, and an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted on by an outside force. Take a ball for example. If you leave it on the ground, it will not move. No matter what, as long as nothing is touching it, it will not move. But once you kick it, it starts to move, and it will keep moving until something stops it, whether that be gravity or another player. Now let's look at another example. If I set my character named Paul to sit, so let's do that real quick. Sit down. He will stay there. He will not move. Now watch when I grab him with my mouse. He's moving. As you can see, Paul stayed sitting because nothing moved him or applied force to him. But when I grabbed him with my mouse, he moved. This is Newton's first law of motion. Now let's go into Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law of motion states that the more mass that's in an object, the greater the amount of force is needed to move the object. Take the ball again, for example. A soccer ball has less mass than a bowling ball, therefore it would be easier to kick a soccer ball than a bowling ball. Now let's take Paul, for example. If I make him grab my mouse, the mouse for Paul seems to be heavier than he is, therefore he cannot pull the mouse down. This is Newton's second law of motion. Now let's look at the final law, Newton's third law. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Take the ball again, for example. When the ball is kicked into a wall, the ball will hit the wall with the same amount of force. Take Paul for example now. When I throw him with my mouse, the amount of force I throw him with corresponds to how far he is thrown. If I throw him with a little less, he doesn't go as far. If I throw him harder, he goes farther. This is Newton's third law of motion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye!